Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the wonders of the ocean. Today, we're plunging miles beneath the surface into the perpetual twilight of the deep sea. Down here, life moves at a different pace, and every meal is a battle for survival. Imagine the scene. A dark, silent world, where the only light comes from the creatures themselves. The water is thick with floating particles, and strange sea plants sway in the powerful, unseen currents. It's a truly alien landscape.
Suddenly, a glimmer of hope appears on the sandy seabed. A single, glowing piece of food. In a world of scarcity, this is a treasure beyond compare. But who will claim it?
The first to notice is a giant octopus, a master of camouflage and cunning. Its 8 arms, covered in powerful suckers, begin to uncoil as it emerges from its rocky crevice.
With intelligent eyes fixed on the prize, it glides over the ocean floor, a silent predator on the move. This meal could sustain it for weeks.
But it's not alone.
From the shadows of a coral outcrop, a moray eel lunges forward. Its long, serpentine body ripples with muscle, and its mouth is a terrifying display of sharp, needle-like teeth.
The eel has been waiting patiently, and its explosive speed gives it a serious advantage.
The octopus and the eel are now on a collision course, 2 titans of the deep locked in a tense standoff for the glowing morsel.
The tension is incredible. Just when you think it's a two-way fight, a new challenger enters the fray. A spiny lobster, armored like a medieval knight, scurries out from under a ledge. Its long, whip-like antennae test the water, and its powerful claws are raised, ready for battle.
It's smaller, but its defensive shell and aggressive nature make it a formidable opponent.
It's a 3-way showdown, a complex dance of threat, displays, and strategic positioning. And then, the chaos truly begins.
A school of aggressive, piranha-like fish swarms in from the darkness. Their bodies are sleek, built for speed, and their numbers are their greatest weapon. They dart and weave around the larger contestants, trying to snatch a piece of the prize.
The water erupts into a whirlwind of motion, tentacles lashing, teeth snapping, and claws clashing.
The octopus tries to envelop the food with its body, while the eel strikes repeatedly. The lobster holds its ground, using its armor to fend off attacks. It's a raw, unfiltered glimpse into the brutal reality of life in the abyss. Who will emerge victorious? In the deep sea, only the strongest, and perhaps the luckiest, get to eat. Thanks for joining us on this incredible deep-sea adventure! If you were captivated by this underwater drama, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing journeys into the natural world. See you next time!